Our pharmaceutical production plant in Kiev has been working in the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP to produce our products. At a general meeting on the development of production, the leading engineer of the analytical laboratory proposed to update some analytical and laboratory equipment. Using analytical equipment, they monitor the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, dissolution, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. Laboratory equipment carries out the process of preparing samples for research. The lab engineer clarified that last month, they had a breakdown of a tablet press, which was needed to produce tablets with subsequent testing. A laboratory tablet press with a capacity of 2,000 tablets per hour had to be purchased in the near future, because the quality analysis of the starting material for the production technology is performed with each new batch of material. I, as chief technologist of the plant, was instructed to find and purchase a tablet press within a month. Since a new shipment of raw materials was planned, the chief engineer of our plant recommended that we first contact the manufacturers of the equipment. They provide warranty service, drawings, operation manuals, mounting and installation of produced equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company online in Italy, which produces pharmaceutical equipment, went to their website, and wrote a letter, in which I indicated the equipment I wanted to buy, and asked for a specific machine. A week later I received the answer, that they no longer made such machines, but they could develop and produce them, if desired, by the end of next year. That was too long for us, so I decided to look for a press from other pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers. I found a company online from China that makes various tablet presses. I called them, and asked if they could deliver lab equipment in 2 months. They replied that they have such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number, and said she would call back in the evening, when she checked with her facility engineer about the capabilities of the automatic equipment. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The manager said that she had passed the request on to the design department, and that she would contact me when she got an answer. This seemed strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Absolutely no business approach to the customer. I refused to look for a lab press on my own. And then I remembered that at the Forum of Producers of Equipment for the Pharmaceutical Industry in Moscow, I met a specialist who was engaged in the selection and supply of equipment for the production of medicines. I found his business card, and before contacting him I decided to check whether he really engaged in the supply of machines for the pharmaceutical industry. In order to do this I found his company's website, and carefully studied the information on it. I liked that the website was up to date, with video clips of the equipment, and many contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company has been on the pharmaceutical equipment supply market for a long time, and this is a good reason to say that it is successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me, and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for a state-of-the-art laboratory tablet press. He suggested the option of a research tablet press that was popular with customers and tested in a production lab. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me a passport, an instruction manual for the equipment, and a video demonstrating the machine. The tabletop equipment is made of stainless steel. The powder is loaded through a funnel-shaped hopper. The machine is a one-punch eccentric type tablet press. Pellet production is carried out by 2 punches, upper and lower, in a matrix. The press works in automatic mode. The working area of the machine is protected by transparent plastic shields. Perhaps I would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the route of selecting the equipment myself. Experience has shown that the decision to seek professional help in selecting a laboratory press for the production of tablets was the right one. I plan to use the services of a specialist from this firm in purchasing pharmaceutical equipment in the future. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to make us continue to think so.